Now we have some more breaking news coming in. The political battle over the Mahakumbh Mela has escalated, with the Congress's Supriya Shrinate slamming the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath for praising a boatman and his family's success story in the State Assembly. She has essentially questioned as to why a person with a criminal background was being glorified in the State Assembly. Reports had indicated that boatman Pintu Mahara amassed a staggering 30 crore rupees during the Mahakumbh festival. And now the Congress has reacted to this, lashing out at the fact that he has been praised in the assembly. Now, the Mahakumbh Mela in Prayagraj did see significant economic benefits, particularly for the boatman community. A family operating 130 boats earned 30 crores, and other boatmen also made substantial profits. Take a look at the special report for more.
Nearly a week after the Mahakumbh Mela concluded, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, speaking in the Uttar Pradesh Assembly on Tuesday, said that a family with 130 boats made a profit of 30 crore rupees during the 45-day mega religious congregation in Prayagraj. Pintu Mahara, a boatman from the family mentioned by the Chief Minister, said that it was not just his family that benefited, but the entire boatman community.
हमारे परिवार वाले कम से कम 100 लोग हैं, जो 130 नावें लगभग हैं सभी के पास। सब लोग को फ़ायदा हुआ, किसी के पास 10, किसी के पास 5, किसी के पास 20, सभी को फ़ायदा हुआ। पूरे प्रयागराज वाले नाविकों को फ़ायदा हुआ, जो कभी नहीं हुआ इतना, जो कभी इतना पैसा कमाए नहीं होंगे उतना फ़ायदा हुआ। जो कभी 50,000 1 लाख नहीं कमाते थे, 5-5 लाख 4-4 लाख कमाए हैं। कोई तो 7-7 8-8 लाख कमाया, क्योंकि जो भी श्रद्धालु आते थे, दान का कोई सीमा नहीं होता, कोई दे जाता था। बहुत तो ऐसे हैं जो सोने का सिक्का दिए, चांदी का सिक्का दिए और दान करते थे। दान का देखिए कोई सीमा नहीं होता।
Mahara was all praised for the arrangements made for the Mahakumbh.
बहुत अच्छा व्यवस्था था, डिजिटल कुंभ था, मोदी जी का बहुत अच्छा, योगी जी का बहुत अच्छा व्यवस्था था। ऐसा व्यवस्था हमने पहले कभी नहीं देखा। इतनी सफाई थी, सब कुछ था और इतने लोग आए, उन्हीं का देन था, जो मोदी जी योगी जी का ही देन था, इतने लोग आए।
According to the UP CM, while 7,500 crore rupees was invested for the Mahakumbh, it generated a record 3 lakh crore rupees in business, benefiting various sectors. The Chief Minister claimed that the economic impact of the Mahakumbh would contribute to India's 6.5% GDP growth this year.
Now, with this, we're heading into a very short break. Do stay